Hi, this is Team SLJ. Our project focuses on COVID-19 dataset. We use React for the development of our website, along with Bootstrap and Ant Design. The reason is that React uses components to build a single-page application, and it's easier to maintain a clean code structure. This is the design portion of our website. We separate our charts into 4 independent sections. One reason is that after separating our charts, the layout will be clean and everything looks minimalistic. The other reason is that each chart can be easily seen as a component and it can be developed separately. Therefore, it will be easier for us to write clean code. We also included a collapsible site navigation bar here, which allows users to determine the size of the graph. So if the user wants to increase the size of the graph, he can just choose to collapse this navigation bar like this. Now let's move on to our first graph. This word map chart is created by Danji. It is a combined map of collapse map and proportional symbol map. This map, we also included a slider bar here to keep track of the timestamp. By choosing a specific timestamp here, the users can view the distribution of deaths caused by coronavirus around the world. Also, if a user puts his or her mouse over any country, so for example, over Canada, a tooltip bar will appear next to it and show the confirmed deaths of that day. So for example, on May 28th, 2020, the number of death cases at Canada is like 15,000. It's a really huge number, obviously. Now let's move on to the next chart. It is a bar chart. To construct a reasonable bar chart, data processing is needed, since it's not reasonable to display all countries in just one graph. So we separated all the countries into 6 continents. Next, we calculated the accumulated sum of each dataset, then combined them into a final dataset. This bar graph combines the sort and filter features so that users can easily manipulate the graph through simply clicking on these buttons here. So for example, I can choose 5 list confirmed continents, and I can choose like this number of confirmed cases sorted by death. What this means is that, so look at the graph, the height of this bar represents the number of confirmed cases. And by this selection, the x-axis represents the death cases. So basically, it's sorted by the death cases. Now we can move on to the third chart. It is a zoomable bubble charts. This bubble charts represents the COVID-19 confirmed cases of each country. This the outer bubble represents different categories of COVID-19 confirmed cases. And we separated the total data into several categories, which are cases numbered between 0 to 1,000 to 1 million, and 1 million to 2 million, etc. And after clicking each bubble, the country which satisfies the condition will be show up in the bubble, and the radius represents the confirmed case numbers. So for example, if I click this bubble, you can see the number of confirmed cases shows here after the country's name. Now here is our fourth chart. It's created by Mapbox. So this chart, this Mapbox chart is developed by Ling Ling. This Mapbox chart represents the death cases around the world. So the red color represents high death cases, and blue color represents the lower death cases. So here you can see, obviously, this spot has very high death cases. By looking at this map, the users can easily track which country is under the situation that needs extra prevention attention about COVID-19. This will provide healthcare workers a better idea about which country is under high death rates and give them an insight about how to make transportation policies between countries during the pandemic. That's all about our project. Thanks for watching.